Top parental duties in handling your adolescent children. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about handling your adolescent children. Adolescence, the word itself sends shivers down the spine of almost all parents. It is because you're completely taken aback with the changes your children undergo when they reach the teenage. Adolescence is a phase in the life of your children which is very stressful, very confusing and very baffling to them. When your children enter the teens, they have all sort of doubts about everything in their life. This is what makes this phase of your children's life highly tormenting to you as a parent. Your children all of a sudden act like adults while in reality they are not yet so. You feel lost when your children abruptly deviate from you emotionally. You're taken aback when your children are no longer your small kids. Your kids suddenly seem to have grown up. And you feel baffled when your children no longer look up to you for advice. As your children enter the teens, they feel they know everything and you know nothing. You're not the only one confused by the changeover your kids undergo. Your children too feel confused by the major changes in their attitude towards life as they take the initial tentative steps towards adulthood. Yes, your children are undergoing an emotional transition from childhood to adulthood when they enter the teenage. The changes your children undergo in their adolescent period sometimes leaves you dazed. When your children were kids, they wanted to spend all the time with you. They talk to you about almost everything. Your children discuss what they should wear with you. They liked only the food prepared by you. Your children always liked to listen to your advice. They confided about the fights they had with their friends. But when your children reach the adolescent age, they completely deviate from you. They no longer interact with you with the freeness they did when they were kids. You literally crave for your children to revert to the childhood as you are unable to withstand the volume of changes they undergo in their behaviors. What are the behavioral changes do your adolescent children undergo? Your adolescent children suddenly develop a mind of their own. They want to spend more time with their friends. Your children do not listen to your advice and argue with you a lot. It is because your children feel that they know everything better than you. Your children become addicted to mobile phones and social media. They no longer confide with you and they become silent and aloof. Your children also hide many things from you. Why does the mentality of your adolescent children suddenly change so much? Do the changes your children undergo mean that they do not love you anymore? Do not worry. The love your children has for you remains the same. But just as your children have grown up physically, they have grown up mentally also. As your children grow up mentally, they also outgrow their clinging need for you. Your children have finally taken the first adult steps to face the world. I too had undergone tremendous emotional upheavals when my daughter reached her adolescent period. My daughter always looked upon me for everything she did. I would select her dress. I decided what food she should eat. My daughter always listened to me. But things changed when she was in her teens. She would make her own decisions. She took over the decision of what she should wear. She was very different from me in many ways. Where is my kid daughter? My mind screamed in agony. It was then I did some self-analysis about myself as a parent. It was then I realized that I wanted my daughter to see the world from my viewpoint. What a fool I was. My daughter was not my clone to be like me. She was in the threshold of evolving as an individual with a mind of her own. And I also realized that my daughter has to become individualistic if she must face this harsh world bravely and assertively. When I was being intruding and dominating, it just meant that I was stopping my daughter from evolving into a confident individual. Finally, I realized my mistake. From then onwards, I took a vow never to exceed my limits in her life. I decided that I should have a hand on the shoulders of my daughter, not to pull her into my world, but to show her that I will always be there in her times of need. Needless to say, we are now best of friends and our playful friendship is the envy of many. So, you too should change if you must allow your children to evolve as great individuals. Here are some sensible tips to handle your adolescent children. The number one tip, you should acknowledge the fact that your children will never be a Xerox copy. It is a harsh truth that your children will never be you. They will invariably develop their own characteristics. Tip number two, you cannot dictate what your adolescent children should do and what they should not do. As individuals, your children have every right to decide about their life. They have the right to live their life as they want to. Tip number three, you should understand that you have no right to interfere too much into the individuality of your adolescent children. It is the individuality that is going to give a uniqueness to them. Tip number four, you should never be preachy and too advising to your adolescent children. They will never listen to your advice when you are so. Tip number four, you should guide your children in a friendly manner. When you feel that your children are going towards the wrong path, it's your parental duty to put them in the right path. Tip number six, you should never ever command your adolescent children. They do not like it a wee bit. Do not raise your voice when you're talking with your children, as the independent nature dislikes it. Tip number seven, you should not behave in an overbearing manner with your adolescent children. When you're too arrogant and all-knowing with your children, they will not confide with you. Tip number 8. Do not intrude into the personal space of your children. Your children are in the growing up stage. So, keep a respectful distance from your adolescent children. Tip number 9. Do not criticize your children if their way of doing things is wrong. They will learn many precious lessons from the mistakes. Tip number 10. You should be empathetic towards the feelings of your adolescent children. Understand the simple fact that your children have started exploring the world. So, let your children experiment and experience life. Today's generation of adolescent children is far more intelligent than the Esther generation children. But today's children are living in a very unsafe world. So, they are also far more vulnerable to vultures looking for a prey for the sneaky affairs. If you are friendly with your children, they will never stray towards the wrong path. Keep an eye on your children, but do not let them feel that you're prying on them. If you feel that your children are diverting towards the wrong path, advise them in a friendly manner. You should also be a role model to your children. Give your children the emotional security they direly need. And it comes only when you have a good and compatible relationship with your spouse. Emotional security is a protective umbrella which protects your children from the treacherous crossroads they will encounter in their life journey. Did this video make you understand the ways to handle your adolescent children? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.